Hello friends, this is Scott, and today's video is a very quick video just to show you how easy it is to grow your own sweet potato slips from grocery store bought sweet potatoes. Now here I am at the local grocery store, and they're $1.79 a pound, and I want to get three to sprout this year. I did two last year, and I think I want to do a few more. So now what I look for generally is a little bit skinnier of the sweet potatoes. And to do this project, I need a knife, I need some toothpicks, and because I have three sweet potatoes, I need three water containers. Now, last year I used these little chicken waters, and I just didn't have another one, so I'm just using a glass. So, the simple process is just take the knife, and what I'm doing is just slitting the potato a little bit just to allow moisture and water into the potato a little quicker. It'll help them sprout a little quicker. So I'm just going to do three slices, I think, on each one, three or four. And I did get, you want to do skinny side down generally. And I think on one of these I screwed up, and I did fix it at the end. I stuck the skinny side down, but I think I initially stuck it skinny side up. So anyway, I think it would work either way, but you want to have the skinny side down so it roots better, and then you have more eyes on the top probably with a fatter top. So yeah, just giving them a little bit of a slice just to let that water penetrate, and taking three toothpicks per sweet potato. And simply the only purpose of those is to make it so that the sweet potato doesn't drop all the way into the container. Now some of these are fatter, so they're not going to drop anyway. So I've got to do a little bit of pushing, and hopefully I don't break a glass here. But yeah, I should have got a little bit skinnier ones, but this is about what they had there today. So I didn't see any that were skinnier. So we'll do our best. And I may adjust these more to get more down into the water, but to start with right now, we'll get it started and get it rooted. So again, three toothpicks per each sweet potato, and that's just to suspend them in the glass or in the container, just to keep them from sitting on the bottom, because you want to have room for the roots to grow. So with that being done, I just go over to the sink, and I just need to fill these up with water. Now again, if you want to see the full sweet potato growth process, go check out my playlists that are labeled, how to grow sweet potatoes. I've been doing it for several years now, and I've got probably 7-8 videos already. But again, this is just a bare bones quick video just to show you how easy it is to get it started. This is just the beginning phase of the sweet potato slip growing process. You got to root the sweet potatoes, and then after they start rooting, they will shoot out sprouts out of their eyes. And then when those sprouts get, 8 to 12 inches long, you break those off, you stick those in water, and you root those, and that's the actual slips that you plant in the ground. The sweet potatoes, you need to get started in the winter because they are a warm season crop. You want to get them started. It takes a couple of months to get them established and get those slips ready to go and rooted out. And you don't put them in the ground until, that you have no more fear of frost, because these plants will die if there is any cold weather. So you want to plant them a little later than normal. And then you always pick them after the first frost, because the first frost makes them a little sweeter. So here I am just walking them over to the window. As you see, the skinny one I've got up in the middle there. I'm going to flip that one over and put it skinny side down. So anyway, just simple process, as quick as it goes. Again, it's more complicated, but watch my videos in my playlist, or continue to watch my, what the videos I submit this year, because I will be showing you every aspect of the process again. Thanks for watching, and grow your own sweet potatoes. They're very easy.